To add contacts, you allow your kid to call to in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open Kids app. If you have add multiple profiles, select the required profile. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap parental controls. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Scroll down the screen. Under Allow Content section, tap Contact. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the required contact you like to add to the Kids app. Tap Done button. As you can see, the selected contact has been added to the Kids app. Tap the back key twice. Now, your kid can call the contact you add through My Phone app while they are using your phone in the Kids mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.